Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to do the Instagram video size and export settings. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and the first thing that we will do is we're going to click on the file at the top left of our screen, and then from here go into New and click on Sequence. And we're going to create a sequence right here, and you want to select the DSLR 1080p 30, and then go into Settings right here and select the time base and make sure that this would match your FPS or frame rate of your footage or videos that you would put in the settings right here or this sequence right here. So in my case, I'll just go for 30 since I have a 30 FPS video. And then the next thing is you want to set the frame size to 1080 by 1350 right here if you want the full screen experience on Instagram. But if you want other sizes, then you can go to google.com and see what other sizes that you can do in Instagram. And now that you're done with this one, you can now click on OK. And once you click on OK, let's go into the sequence right here. So you can see it in your project panel. You can double click on it, or it could automatically open right here on your timeline. And you can see that we have the new sequence right here. And once you're here, what you want to do is you want to export your video. So let me just export mine really quick right here. So I'm going to export this right here by dragging it into my timeline. And from here, you want to make sure that you click on Keep Existing Settings so that it would keep the settings of our sequence and it won't match the clip right here. And it would keep the settings that we have set for Instagram. And now we're gonna click on this right here on our clip so that it could fill the whole screen right here or the frame. And we're gonna go and click on motion right here, and then we're just gonna go and scale this right here or however you'd want, and then you can position this so that it would center the subject right there. And then once you're satisfied with that, with everything right here, let's now move on to the export settings. So now let's go click on a file and go into export and go into media. And then from here, you want to make sure that you have the H.264 format and your preset should be a match source. So I recommend that you go for match source. You can go for high bit rate, low, or medium, whatever you want. The most important thing is you go for match source so that it would match your sequence settings. And then once you're done with this one, all you have to do now is export right here, and then you're all good. All that's left is to upload it into Instagram. And now one last thing is that when you upload into Instagram, you would be able to see this button right here. So you want to click on this so that your video right here or your content won't be cropped out. So Instagram wouldn't crop any part of your video right here. So it's very important that you click this button right here when you are uploading your video to Instagram. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.